Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to find nearby friend on your Facebook application. So let's get start our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application, and after that you need to go three line menu bar option on the top right corner. After that, scroll down and here you can see nearby friend. Here you can see nearby option. Just tap on this, and after that here you can see meet up when friends are nearby or traveling. You can find nearby friend when you are traveling or you're living a space or living place. So you need to get started option. Just tap on this get started. Then friends, next option, you can only a specific friend or not, you can next option, then turn on allow. After that you need to allow it. Wait here. Now you can find friend. Here you can see all of friend who is near you. Look at this, every friend, and here you can see it's showing. Look at this, it's showing your distance from your location. You can see, you can send message him or add friend him. So that's it. So guys, in this way you can find near friend or nearby friend on your Facebook application very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.